Welcome to this exciting video about the city of love, Paris. Paris is known for its rich history, iconic landmarks, and cultural influence. Paris is known as the City of Light because it was one of the first cities in the world to have street lighting. In this video, we will explore the mega projects, net worth, and tourist attractions that make Paris one of the most beautiful and fascinating cities in the world. So, let's dive in. Paris is home to some of the most famous tourist attractions in the world. The city is known for its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Notre-Dame cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. The Eiffel Tower, one of the most famous landmarks in the world, was built for the 1889 World's Fair and was supposed to be dismantled after the fair ended, but it was kept because of its popularity. The Louvre Museum in Paris is the largest art museum in the world, with over 380,000 objects and 35,000 works of art on display. The city is also home to the Champs-Élysées, a world-famous avenue lined with high-end shops, cafés, and theaters. The Seine River runs through the heart of Paris, providing a stunning backdrop for a romantic boat ride or leisurely stroll. In addition to the landmarks, Paris is known for its culinary scene, with world-renowned cafés, restaurants, and pâtisseries. From croissants and baguettes to macarons and fine dining, Paris has something for everyone. Paris is a food lover's paradise, with a rich culinary history and a wide range of delicious dishes to try. Here are some of the best dishes to try in Paris. Number 1 is croissants. Paris is famous for its flaky, buttery croissants, which can be found in bakeries and cafes throughout the city. Number 2, steak frites, a classic French dish. Steak frites consists of a grilled steak served with crispy French fries. Number 3, escargots, cooked snails served in garlic butter. Escargots are a French delicacy that are a must-try for adventurous eaters. And number 4 is ratatouille, a vegetable stew made with eggplant, zucchini, peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Ratatouille is a healthy and flavorful dish that is popular in France. These are just a few of the many delicious dishes to try in Paris. So come and explore the culinary wonders of Paris and discover why the City of Lights is also the city of gastronomy. Paris is also a city that has been featured in countless movies throughout the years, from classic films like An American in Paris and Breathless to more recent hits like Midnight in Paris and Amélie. Prostitution is legal in France, but soliciting for sex in public is illegal. The most well-known red light district in Paris is Pigalle, which is located in the 18th arrondissement. Pigalle is famous for its neon lights, adult shops, and peep shows, and is considered by many to be the heart of the city's sex industry. And if we talk about the religion, then the majority of the French population identifies as non-religious or atheist, with only a small minority identifying as religious. The main religion in Paris is Christianity, with the majority of Christians identifying as Roman Catholic. There are also smaller Jewish, Buddhist, and Hindu communities in the city. However, religion is not a significant part of daily life in Paris or France in general. The French government is strictly secular, and public displays of religion, such as wearing religious symbols like headscarves or crosses, are prohibited in schools and other public institutions. One of the most exciting mega projects in Paris is the Grand Paris Express, a new rapid transit system that will connect the city's suburbs and reduce traffic congestion. The project is set to be completed by 2030 and will improve the city's transportation system dramatically. Another interesting fact about Paris is the Parisian subway system in Paris, known as the Metro, is one of the oldest and most extensive public transportation systems in the world. Paris has a net worth of over $669 billion and is the world's 13th largest economy. The city's economy is diverse, with industries like tourism, fashion, and finance contributing significantly. Paris is the most visited city in the world, with over 30 million visitors each year. Paris is home to several multinational corporations like L'Oréal and Total, and the city's stock exchange is one of the largest in the world. Paris is also the fashion capital of the world and is home to several famous fashion houses, including Chanel, Dior, and Yves Saint Laurent. Another fascinating fact is that Paris has over 400 parks and gardens, including the famous Tuileries Garden and Luxembourg Garden. When it comes to visiting Paris, the cost will depend on a variety of factors, including where you are traveling from, how long you plan to stay, and what activities you plan to do. In general, airfare and accommodations can be pricey, but there are ways to save money by booking in advance or traveling during the off-season. Once you're in Paris, there are plenty of free or low-cost activities to enjoy, such as visiting the many parks and museums or taking a walk along the Seine River. There are also some great budget-friendly restaurants in the city that offer delicious food at affordable prices. One such restaurant is Les du Falafel, located in the Marais neighborhood. This restaurant is known for its falafel sandwiches and is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Another great option is Chez Gladines, which serves up traditional Basque cuisine at reasonable prices. In conclusion, I will say, Paris is a city that offers an incredible mix of history, innovation, and beauty. From its stunning tourist attractions to its exciting mega projects and economic strength, Paris is a city that has so much to offer. We hope this video has inspired you to visit Paris and experience everything it has to offer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to get the latest videos on our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.